are just about to die. But this flower will never die. Kasi wala naman talaga tong buhay. Ngunit sa taglay nitong kulay ay nagbibigay sa akin ng sayang tunay. Hi! Mapagpalang araw po mga kapatid! Nandito na naman po ako and welcome back to my channel. Pasensya na po, medyo matagal-tagal tayo mag-vlog at busy lang. But as much as possible, I want to share to you some content that we could learn on how to end style. So today's vlog is going to show you how to make a paper roses. And if we could put it all together, you can make a bouquet like this. Yeah. And a table centerpiece like this. But before we start, I want to thank you from the bottom of my wholehearted heart. Thank you po sa lahat na nag-subscribe, and we have reached now 100! Yes! 100! Yeah, masing-masaya na po ako doon bilang isang feeling vlogger, no? Dahil at least alam ko na may nanonood sa akin, someone that can appreciate my video, na na-appreciate yung mga sinishare ko sa dito sa YouTube, which is I really talagang ginagawa ko yun na mula sa puso. Kahit matagal ako sa pag-i-edit, it's also a learning for me. Kaya maraming po salamat sa spend ng yung oras sa panonood. Thank you! Thank you! At sa mga bago dito sa channel na to na hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe na for more arts and crafts, how to and style idea. By the way, my name is Blessy'sVlog dito sa bansang Bahrain. So, stay tuned and let's get started! Okay mga kapatid, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. At ito na po ang kabuuan ng ating nagawang paper flower. Yan! Yan. Dinagdagan ko lang ng leaves dito. Hindi ko na napakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito ginawa. But if you have any requests, comments, and suggestions, or any questions, just write it down below. Scroll nyo lang po sa baba nitong screen. Yan. Please let me hear your feedback by putting your comments down there. Okay? And shout out kay Ella Grace sa aking inaanak. Hello! Thank you for subscribing. At meron din po siyang YouTube channel. Please check it out. Her YouTube channel ni Ella Grace. And thank you for Domingo Hotba, Kuya Sunny, for encouraging me always na mag-vlog ako na mag-vlog. And kay ever support ng aking mga kapatid, si Kuya Ma, si Susie, si Ate Emeline. Thank you. And to my love, of course, na he's behind the scene, behind the camera. Pero lagi siya nandiyan for me. Yeah. Thank you so much. And see you again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless everyone. Stay safe.